How can ERISA override state subrogation laws? Imagine you are settling a personal injury case and wondering if your health insurance can recover costs from your settlement. The answer depends on whether your insurance is covered by a federal law called the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. This law can change how recovery rights work in these cases. ERISA is a federal law that sets rules for most employer-sponsored health plans. It includes a clause called preemption, which means federal law can take priority over conflicting state laws. If a state has a law that limits how much an insurer can recover from a settlement, ERISA can override that law. This is because ERISA plans often have specific rules in their plan documents that give them the right to recover medical expenses paid on behalf of an injured worker. When an ERISA plan has a subrogation or reimbursement clause, it means the plan can seek repayment from any third-party settlement or judgment. Courts usually enforce these clauses because they are part of the plan contract. This applies even if state laws might say the insurer cannot recover or should not recover certain amounts. The type of plan also matters. If the plan is self-funded by the employer, ERISA almost always preempts state laws. These plans are directly governed by federal rules, so state restrictions do not apply. Fully insured plans, which are purchased from insurance companies, can sometimes be protected by state laws, but many still fall under ERISA's preemption because of federal regulations. ERISA also allows plans to seek equitable relief, like placing a lien on the settlement proceeds to recover what they paid for medical bills. This is different from suing for damages. Courts have clarified that ERISA plans can enforce these liens or reimbursement rights, even if state laws would limit them. For personal injury victims, this means that if their health insurance is under an ERISA plan, the plan can claim a lien on the entire settlement to recover medical costs. This can happen regardless of how the settlement is divided or whether the injured person is compensated for pain and suffering or lost wages. Many state laws aim to protect claimants from losing too much of their settlement, but ERISA's federal protections often take precedence. Legal professionals need to carefully review the plan documents to understand the scope of subrogation rights. Negotiating settlement allocations can help limit the impact of ERISA liens, especially by assigning non-medical damages to other parts of the settlement. Sometimes courts will approve these allocations, making it harder for ERISA plans to recover from non-medical damages. In summary, ERISA overrides state subrogation laws because it is a federal law with a preemption clause that displaces conflicting state rules. Its contractual and equitable recovery rights often give ERISA plans the ability to recover medical expenses from personal injury settlements, even if state laws try to restrict that. This creates a complex environment for injury claims involving ERISA health plans, so understanding these rules is key to managing subrogation rights effectively.